Peace and healing, family. Welcome back to Herb and Heal, where the power of plants meets the wisdom of our ancestors. Today we're diving into a question I get asked all the time. How do I become a herbalist? Whether you want to heal yourself, help others, or start your own natural health journey, this is your guide. First, start by learning the basics of herbal medicine. Understand what herbs are, how they affect the body, and the different parts of the plant like roots, leaves, and flowers. Next, take a course or herbal program. While you don't need a license in most places, proper training builds real knowledge. Third, get hands-on. Grow your own herbs, make teas and tinctures, and learn by doing. Nature is your best teacher. Then find your herbal path, whether it's women's health, mental wellness, or spiritual healing. Herbalism is a personal journey, so follow what calls you. And finally, keep learning and growing. Attend workshops, study with other herbalists, and stay connected to your purpose. Being a herbalist is a lifelong calling. If you feel drawn to this healing path, trust it. The world needs more natural healers and plant-based wisdom. Start today. Even one herb can open a whole new world. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from Herb and Heal. Stay rooted and peace.